Hi, my name is Luis Ángel Fernández HERMANA, and after many years suffering the applications in internet that tell you what to do, how to do it, even when to do it, it's been a very nice surprise to find Documenta, an application that you feel that you are ruling all the time, what you can do, how you can do it, and that is something very important after so many years in which the web has been very strict. You could do many things in the web, but it was always difficult to change it. It was not at the reach of everybody. You needed experts and people that know how to deal with the technology and so on. Now suddenly we have this application that you don't need to know more than drag and paste objects, and the objects being audiovisuals, video, etc. And the most important thing for me is the fact that you can build a narrative and you can adapt that narrative to the audience almost immediately. You can change it, you can emphasize different points, and you can do that with this multimedia process by which you bring objects to the fore and you decide, what I'm going to say, the most important thing in the narrative, and what is subsidiary in the sense of what you're telling the audience. Obviously, I'm talking about something that is very important in terms of education, because that means that teachers and students can build together tales, stories that usually it is very difficult to do with the other applications, but at the same time you can export that to many other places inside of Documenta. And that has been one of the most interesting surprises that Documenta offers you, which is the libraries that you use when you are building a page, but then all that material stays in your library, and anybody, if you allow them to use it, anybody can use it, can use the same videos or files or whatever, regardless of what they're doing or what is the purpose in this case. There are, we can call multi-purpose libraries, and that is probably, together with what I said at the beginning, the fact that you disaggregate the web and you recompose it according to what you want to do, two of the main features of Documenta. And in that sense, I think that we are witnessing the beginning of new applications that allow you to control completely all the process by which you build a narrative. I think it is fascinating because, for example, people like me, that we do a lot of conferences and courses and so on, we have a material that we present in each case, and the story that the material says is always the same one. And for the first time now, using Documenta, I can change the story according to the audience. I think that this is big change. Now, for the first time, power really relies on part of the users in the way that they say and they explain and they build messages that transmit to internet.